A. Santos, Caleb A. Santos, Pastor Caleb Santos, and I'm here to share with you something that I'm very excited about, and that's TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy, Tube, TubeBuddy. And like I said in a previous video, that I was going to share with you how to use the proper keywords for videos. Let me tell you, when you think about YouTube alone, they have 1.9 billion views. Can you imagine that? So if you're having a ministry or you're having a business or you want to have your book to be exposed or whatever you want to do, video is the place to be at, because a lot of people are turning to the video industry because it's quicker, it's visual, they don't have to be spending time reading. And let me tell you, this is the thing to do, especially when you join the Wealthy Affiliates, which I'm going to close the link to. It is a free service and they teach you how to do keywords for your website. They, in fact, they have a special that they give you 2 free websites and they give you some training, but I'm going to disclose that in the next video about the Wealthy Affiliates. And I will my review about the Wealthy Affiliates is A plus. I recommend that you try it. Okay, so I'm going to have the link provided, but in the meantime, my focus is on you and TubeBuddy. This is a tool that you could use and it's free. Okay, they have different levels if you want to get more in depth in the keyword search, but it's a free service you could use. And I'm going to share with you how you could use it to your advantage. Now, I picked one of my higher views video, one of those videos that has more views, the most views that I've had. Now, some of them I have like 300, 200. Some of them are just starting. Okay, but this is how much I have gathered here, total views with some good keywords. Okay. Now, this is a prayer for healing. Who doesn't need healing? But you got to find these people. Okay. And let me tell you, when you find these people using the proper keywords, then you could be able to have access and then you could reach those that need healing. Like, for example, this is a keyword that I use, relief from sickness. So I click on here and then it gives me very good. Now you want to get very good and excellent. If you get excellent, you're going to be in business of getting more exposure. Another keyword here, prayer for sickness. You get fair. So I included that. And then there's another one here, prayer for healing and recovery. And that's good. So you want to get as much good as you can, or very good, or even excellent, so you could get exposure. And let me tell you, ministers, men of God, churches, this is a good tool to reach souls for Christ. Can you imagine 1.9 billion people, and you could reach them with the message of Jesus Christ? This is a good tool to have, and it's free. The good thing is that this is a free tool that you could have, and you could jumpstart your ministry using these tools. And if you're in business for yourself, this is a good tool to have. If you want to have your book exposed, this is a good business to have. So I want you to consider signing up for TubeBuddy. It's a free service, and then if you want to get more in depth into it, you can. But it's a very easy tool to use, along with the Wealthy Affiliates. So my recommendation is not only you get into TubeBuddy, but get into Wealthy Affiliates. My review for TubeBuddy would be A plus. So please consider prayerfully getting into this. If you're going into ministry, if you're going into websites, consider getting into TubeBuddy and Wealthy Affiliates. And we'll see you for the next link. I'm going to have enclose a link uh, following, so I could share with you some thoughts about Wealthy Affiliate. And in the meantime, thank you for listening and God bless. Bye bye.